everyone, Miss Emily here from the Fairfield Public Library. Today I will be showing you how you can make butter slime. Butter slime is unique because it is softer and more moldable than your typical slime. It's a lot of fun to make. Let's get started. To make butter slime, you will need a bowl, a popsicle stick or spoon for stirring, measuring cups and spoons, a half cup of Elmer's white school glue, about 2 teaspoons of lotion, and this is the Johnson's lotion that I will be using, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, about 2 teaspoons of contact lens solution, and the contact lens solution you use must have boric acid in it in order to make the slime, and about 1 ounce of Crayola Model Magic. And the Model Magic that I will be using is yellow, which will turn my slime mixture yellow. If you're using white Model Magic, you may want to add a few drops of food coloring to your glue to give your slime color. The first thing you want to do is fill up your bowl with a half cup of white school glue. I have mine here. Then add in your 2 teaspoons of lotion. So here's 1. And here's our 2nd teaspoon. And then mix that in. Next, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix that in as well. It is now time for the contact lens solution, which will turn your glue mixture into slime. I'm going to start off with 1 teaspoon and mix that in. You will see the mixture starting to stick to the popsicle stick. Now you can add more contact lens solution as needed until your slime mixture is no longer super sticky. I'm going to add in another teaspoon of contact lens solution. Now my slime seems ready to touch, so I'm going to get it off the popsicle stick and into my hands. And with slime, you need to work it in your hands a bit. There we go, my slime base is ready. I am going to set that aside and grab my Model Magic. You need to first warm the Model Magic up in your hands. Then you can rip off a small piece and work that into the slime base. Continue to add a little bit at a time and work it in. Now I have my Model Magic mixed in and my butter slime is complete. Thank you for watching. Have fun making your own butter slime.